never had it before. It's my first time in my life. Hi, my name is Atif, and I'm working as a director of medical care in colleague care. I lost my hair 15 years back, so I decided to do something. So I went to the hair transplant. I did my hair transplant, but it didn't work. Is basically I decided because I'm feeling not comfortable whenever I'm doing presentations in front of the audience. So yeah, sometimes I'm feeling that it's not so good. Let's do something different. So some people really not mentioning in front of it, but I felt that something is missing in my personality. So that was the thing that basically it's a trigger point for me to decided to do the hairpiece. So the first time when I got started the procedure and site, I was so bit nervous. When as the time passes through, the lady who did my hair installation, she's so professional. She gave me assurance that you will be okay. So once I finished my procedure of installation, it was really a dream, as of I'm 20 years back in my life. And I was feeling so much comfortable and so much motivated and confident. I would highly recommend Superhairpieces because of 3 reasons. The first is that it's a cost effective. Number 2, it is more convenient. Number 3 is a highly professional customer care service. So there's a 3 reasons I would recommend the Superhairpiece.